You already know who it is. Hey, Unicorn Fam. So I just ordered this, and it came in right now. So I'm about to open it. I ordered hot pink slime or whatever it's called. Good guys, this smells good. They feel jelly and greasy. I'm about to take it out. Okay. So this is kind of ew. I was about to say this is kind of sticky, but it's like all the way sticky for real. But I'll give it a 1 out of 10, I guess.
Say, where's Baby's cup?
It's right here. Okay guys, so you ready? Oh my gosh. You guys, this is like a great slime. And you probably like, where's the other slime? Where's the other slimes? Did you order other slimes? That's how you guys are probably right now. I only ordered one slime, guys. When I order more slimes, okay, my mom let me order the soft one. And go, please order from them. They're cheap, they're not high. And you wanna know how much money was this? This was for like $7 or $6. Yup. But I wanted like a medium or large slime. Cause I didn't want to order that much. Cause you know, these be like, okay, let's do a thumbtail. Fine. I'm about to pick a different thumbtail. Fine, as soon as I get this slime off, I mean. Okay, ready for my thumbtail? Alright, let's do a thumbtail. That's my thumbtail. Oh my gosh. I think like this slime hate me or something. Because I just got this. You're probably like, why are you still playing with it? Because it's so satisfying, guys. It'd be like 4 minutes and like 23, 24, 25 seconds. Probably like, you've been playing with this for like 4 minutes so long. Yes, because it's satisfying. Hold on, there's a little bit more in here. Oh my gosh, it fell. in trouble. I'm about to get in trouble by my mom. After I scratch, I gotta wipe this off and stuff. Okay. And wash my hands. Guys, don't order this kind of slime. Because you would get your butt beat at home. But your mama, cause it's real sticky. She's gonna give you like a different container. Here, it clicks. It really clicks. But if you guys want to get in trouble by your mama, go ahead and order it. Cause it ain't mama. Or if you get in trouble by your daddy, then you just get in trouble by your daddy. So guys, I'm about to spread this out and leave it here. And do some other stuff. Hold on. And earlier I was supposed to give y'all a room tour of my room, but I didn't want to. That it's on our brain now. You guys, I almost got it on the my freaking gosh. Okay, you guys. And you guys, you're probably like, why do you have a nightgown on? Did you get in the shower or something? Yes, I did get in the shower. And you already know what to do. What's the deal? Am I supposed to be dirty and not be a girl and be a tomboy? I'm not no boy. Girls always have to get in the shower. My mom said that too. Like even though my dad's a boy, he doesn't skip no shower. He always gets in the shower. Like every single night and every single morning. Comment down below if your dad do the same thing too. Okay guys. You ready? Okay. I wish they gave instead she gave me. But she said this is her first mistake. So guys, please order from her by slimemaster.com. Like please, unicorns. Please, unicorn squad. Like unicorn squad. I know you love me. I know you can hear me right now, unicorn squad. If your mom's saying no, damn it, just tell her. Other people's moms say no because they don't feel like getting the meds and stuff. I would put her phone number and a link in the description down below, but if you guys think this isn't sticky, what is this? Sticky. I'm about to be like, this slime better not go in this paper because I don't feel like it. And you already know this is sticky. Yay, this is sticky, yay. Guys, I'm sorry. It's been like 10 minutes. You guys, you've been watching this for like 10 minutes, right? when I was I will give the shout outs at the end of this video. Yeah. You guys. Guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you like this video. Hold on. And I'm about to give these shout outs out real quick. You want to know who told me to do a slime package? He kept requesting Yaya Pantone. Yaya Pantone was like this. She's like this. She's my only video. She's like this. Can you please do slime package? Please do a slime package. I'm sorry, I was talking like a baby, but she was talking normal. She was like, she kept commenting, Lay, please. I mean, Unicorn Squad, please, pretty, please. Can you do a slime package? And I liked her comment, and I prayed, and I comment back and I said, okay. And if you guys get this video to like 100 likes, or 200 or 300, if you get this to like 200, if you get this video to 200 likes, guys, I will do slime dares. I will do slime dares. I'll tell Miss Squeeze that too. Mom, where you going? Okay. I'm sorry I did that, even though it's gonna be a mess. Guys, I can't end the video with slime on my hands. Cause I don't feel like getting my camera messed it the freak up. But, again, hope you like this video, and bye.